everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now I want to start this video off just by saying I hope you guys are well, I hope you guys are keeping safe, and also I want to say a massive appreciation thank you to all those people that are still working, for example NHS, obviously shopkeepers, people that work in the shops, just to keep our lives going a little bit normal so we can go out and get our food. Also Royal Mail, because we're obviously still getting our post. I've been placing a lot of orders online and they are still being delivered. So thank you so much for you that are delivering as well. So I just want to start off by saying that obviously I want to keep my channel positive, I want to keep it happy, uplifting. So recently, because obviously we're in lockdown, I wanted to keep myself productive. I want to get up in the morning, have things I can do. So I have chose to organise my house, which is a bit crazy because I have a lot to do. We're obviously in lockdown quite a while, so I can take it day by day and just try and organise my house. So I started off with my wardrobe the other day. I started off by taking all my winter stuff out because the sun's coming out and it's feeling, I don't want to say a little bit warmer because it's still freezing cold out there, but you know, when the sun's out we all like to get our spring wardrobe out. So I started off with my wardrobe and I took out like the bulky jumpers, jeans that I'm not going to be wearing anymore, bulky coats, things like that, put them all away and got out a really nice spring sort of summer vibe wardrobe going on. And I just felt so happy and just felt really good that I'd achieved that and had done that. It just made me feel really, really good. So I thought I'd show you guys what I am doing today. Basically, I am cleaning up my makeup drawer. This is something I have needed to do for so long. Basically, I have the mom dressing table here. And if you know the mom dressing table, it just has one massive long drawer. And in this drawer, I have so much makeup, but a lot of it I don't wear. A lot of stuff in there that I've forgotten about, which I probably will feel so happy that I found again, and I'll probably start using again. But it is such a mess and it needs sorting out, it needs organising. So I thought I'd do it today and show you guys how I organise my drawer, what sort of things I use to organise my drawer, and just give you a few inspirational ideas on what you can be doing in a really hard time like this, just to keep yourself busy and productive. So without further ado, if you want to see how I organise my makeup drawer, then just keep watching. So this is the current situation. As you can see, this drawer is so messy. I am so embarrassed to show you this, but it needs to be done. I'm going to be taking all of this stuff out. I've already started because I'm not going to lie, I couldn't even open this drawer properly. So yeah, this is the current situation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the makeup out of the drawer and try and put it to one side. And then I've got these organisers in here, which I got from B&M, I want to say, and I'm pretty sure they were really inexpensive. So if you're looking for organisers, Amazon, eBay, B&M, places like that, they all do stuff like this. So yeah, so I'm going to take everything out of the drawer first, and then I'm going to see what I'm left with, and I want to clean these. I've actually got a bowl here. This is just water and Sephora, and then I've got two microfiber cloths. One is obviously for washing and then one is for drying. These cloths are amazing for stuff like this. They are so easy to use. And I think I picked mine up from Aldi's, so inexpensive as well, about $1.79 I want to say. And you get about 5 in a pack, so they're really good. I use these all over my house. So yeah, that is the situation. I am going to put you on a time lapse because I'm just going to take everything out of these drawers. I'm going to be really ruthless and throw a lot of stuff away that I don't use, that don't look very good anymore, that are out of date. Some of the stuff I'm also going to give away to the family just because there's makeup in here that I don't use, and obviously I don't want to waste it. I'd rather just throw it away. I want to put it into good use, so I'm going to give some of it away to the family. I have 2 daughters and I'm sure they would really appreciate some of this makeup. And so I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse and get on with it. Whew, wish me luck.
Perfect.
this is the current situation. I have literally emptied out everything. Like I said, I was being ruthless. I've just put it all here in front of me so I can see what I'm working with. Also taking out all the perspex organisers. I'm going to wash all those up and clean out this whole drawer. But I've actually found out that you can't actually see from where I'm actually sitting, but at the back here the drawer has come out. So I don't know how I'm going to sort that out, but yeah, I did wonder why my makeup was falling out the back. But yeah, that is the current situation. Maybe because I put too much stuff in the drawer and it's just weighed it all down, but we're going to try and sort that out, get a little bit more organised, make sure this looks so clean and so tidy. So first of all, I'm going to start off by hoovering inside here. As you can see, this matte sort of carpet sort of material thing comes in here to protect all of this. This obviously needs a really good clean, a good hoover, so I'm going to sort that out as well. I just wanted to come on quickly and show you a little trick that I've been using recently, which is putting unstoppables inside my hoover. This makes your hoover smell amazing. Such a little good trick. I actually saw this on someone's YouTube. I'll put a description in the box down below who it was because I can't remember her name. But yeah, she showed us, she put this in her hoover and it smelled amazing. So I tried it out. It does, it smells really, really good. And when I'm hoovering, that's all I can smell in the air as well. It just smells so fresh and so clean. So yeah, just a little trick. You can put unstoppables in your hoover to make it smell nice. All you do is open up the hoover, open up your unstoppables, and just, you only need a little bit. Only put a tiny bit. You only need a few, and then you just place them around the drum. And oh, I love that smell. The scent I am using is called the Fresh one. I absolutely love these. These are my favourite ones ever. So yeah, just wanted to show you that trick quickly. And try it out because it really, really does make your hoover smell nice, and it makes the air smell nice at the same time. So not only are you hoovering up and cleaning everywhere, but you're actually making the room smell really fresh as well. So try it out, just a little tip. This is what we are left with. I have cleaned out the whole drawer, hoovered it, washed it out, made it really, really clean. This is the situation I'm working with right now. Obviously there's a few marks in here. I've had this dressing table for so long, so there are going to be some makeup stains that I can't get out, but this is what we are left with. So right now I'm going to go and clean out all the perspex trays. I'm actually going to wash them in the sink in the bathroom because they're really quite dirty, and then I'm going to come back and start sorting all this stuff out. So I washed all these trays and I'm actually really pleasantly surprised on how well they come up. They are so clean. All I did was wash them with a disinfectant spray. I actually used some bleach on some of them because they were really stained, but they've come up so clean. Really happy about them. And yeah, I'm just going to end up putting them in my drawers, organising it a bit and see what we can put in where. So I put all these organisers in here. What I have done is put the big ones here first because this is the place where I'm going to put my foundations and I don't know, maybe some eyeshadow palettes and things like that. Things that I reach for every single day, just easy to open up the drawer and just reach for them. Then I've got some little sections here. I'm maybe going to put some lip liners in these long ones here, maybe some lipsticks in the bigger sections here. Who knows? I'm just going to go with the flow and just see how I get on. I'm probably going to play around with it quite a lot because I'm one of those people that has to see it in the right place, and if it doesn't look right, I'll probably change it around. But yeah, so I'm going to start with all this stuff here. Like I said, some of this stuff is going to family, some of it I'm going to be throwing away, but it all needs a good clean because there was a lot of powder in these drawers and it has completely covered the majority of this makeup here. So I'm going to give it a nice freshen up, a nice clean. Obviously I want it disinfected, so I don't want to be putting bacteria back in these nice clean drawers. And yeah, so that's the plan. I'm going to put you on a time lapse again because it is going to take me a long time, and you better believe that I've got some caffeine because This is hard work and I need a bit of a pick-me-up, so I've got some caffeine and I've also got my favourite biscuits in the whole wide world, which are the Biscoff biscuits. They're just caramelised biscuits actually. These ones are from Aldi's, but they are my favourites. I'm going to have a couple of these, drink my coffee and get onto this because I'm lagging. I'm absolutely lagging. This has taken a long time. A lot longer than I thought, but trust me, it's going to be well worth the while because you're going to feel great after you've done something like this. So let's get on with it. Okay, so it is a lot later on now. It's actually been a few hours since I started this. I did have a break because I couldn't sit in the same position for that long. It was just too much for my back. I went out for a walk with Naylor and Brandon. Naylor is my dog, by the way. Brandon is my son. And yeah, and then I came back to it. Then I had another little break, went and made some dinner for us both. And yeah, so I am so happy with the way this has turned out. I am so pleased that I finally got this done. And I'm hoping it just gives you guys some inspiration just for some things to do to keep you busy. And when you see the results, you will know that it's going to make you feel so happy that you've done it. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you before, because obviously for me it was a few hours ago. I'm going to show you anyway because it was only a few minutes for you guys, but yeah, so I'm going to show you before and then I'm going to show you after.